How to find Facebook Messenger link. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find the Facebook Messenger link. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So for that, first thing is you can open up the Messenger itself into your device, and once you are in this chat section, in the bottom you should be finding a menu. So just go ahead and tap on it to open up the space. Once you open up the space, you'll be finding different options. So go ahead and locate this option called settings under your profile. From this section, you will be finding different settings available. So scroll up a bit and you should be finding this profile option here. Under here, you should be finding an option called username on the third, this one right here. So just go ahead and tap on it. After that, here you should be finding edit username and copy link option. So all you need to do is just go ahead and copy your link, and once the link is copied, you can just head back to any of the Messenger application where you want to share it, and once that is done, you can just go ahead and paste it here, and you can just go ahead and send it to that particular person. So you need to go ahead and write up your username first as well. So that is how you basically copy link and share from your Messenger itself. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.